Big Wood up and now asleep. I know y'all probably gonna be looking like, but where they been? You feel me? I'm sorry. We ain't uploaded in like a week. It been about a week. It been about a week though. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna prank Woody again. You know, we had a guy with the little Fanta prank or whatever. But we're gonna do the little hot sauce in the mouth prank type job. I guess that's what you want to call it. Put that right there. All right. So this thing right here deadly. Alright. So it's me and Janice gonna prank him. Janice, y'all gonna see. Just wait on it. Just wait on it. Alright, let go, let go. Okay, it's like it's like 4 something in the morning though. Alright, y'all. So hold on. What's wrong, Big Woody? Hey, what's on your face, bro? Who drew some balls on your face?
Alright, I'm gonna get you. Nah, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get you, bro.
Oh, snap. Just let me go. Just let me go. Gotta do the outro. Gotta do the outro.
Took it down a bit. Took it down a bit.
How you feel, Woody? What's
They
up?
messed up. They got me while I was asleep.
You need to get them
But
balls off your face.
I'm gonna get them back, man.
Janice, you wrong for that, bro.
I'm gonna get home too, bro.
Look at Nova
What's
asleep.
that snowing, bro?
Yeah, I got recorded.
Oh, snap.
Go get the balls off your face, dog.
Go get them balls like a fat cutty. All right, crazy crew, go ahead. Tell them what to do, Cornell.
They got me, man. But stay tuned, because I'm coming back harder.
Y'all gonna like and subscribe. We're gonna put our Instagram in the description down below. Alright.